Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to analyze images with Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come here on the left hand panel, click on chat, and then make sure you have actually selected a model that can accept an image as an input along with the text prompt to perform various analysis tasks. So I'll show you some right here. Just come to the right hand side, click on the current model, and you can come here and pick. So the Gemini 2.5 Flash allows this. There's also Gemini Pro that also allows this as well. So here we go. I'll just stick with Flash for this one. And then what you do is you click on this plus icon and you can insert media. So I'll come here, click on upload a file, and let's come here to pictures. Okay, we'll go ahead and choose an image. Let's say, for example, this one right here. Click on open. Once it is uploaded, you can go ahead and type your prompt and then hit here on run. Okay, then just give it a few seconds. And there you go. As you can see, our prompt was, can you analyze this photo and suggest a creative caption for social media? And we got a lot of different captions that we can go ahead and use. I'll show you some other prompts you could go ahead and use. So these are some example prompts, right? Depending on your image, basically it's just a natural language model, and you just use prompts according to what you want your output to be. Okay, and that is how to analyze images with Google AI Studio.